Smoking vegetables is a fantastic way to elevate their flavor and add a unique twist to your dishes. The process enhances their natural sweetness while imparting a rich, smoky aroma. Ideal vegetables for smoking include bell peppers, eggplants, and mushrooms, as they absorb flavors beautifully. To start smoking, you'll need a reliable smoker or grill, wood chips for fuel, and a few basic utensils like tongs and a probe thermometer. This intro sets the stage for exploring the fantastic culinary possibilities that come from incorporating smoked vegetables into your cooking repertoire. When it comes to smoking, not all vegetables are created equal. Ideal choices, such as bell peppers, zucchini, and mushrooms, possess high water content, which helps them absorb the smoky flavors well. These vegetables also maintain their texture and flavor during the smoking process. For optimal results, slice them into uniform pieces to ensure even cooking, and marinate or season them beforehand to enhance their taste. Avoid overly fibrous or watery vegetables, as they may not yield the desired smoky richness. With the right selections and preparation, you can transform simple veggies into flavorful fare. There are two primary smoking techniques: cold smoking and hot smoking. Cold smoking involves exposing vegetables to smoke at lower temperatures, typically below 100 degrees Celsius, allowing flavors to infuse without cooking them. This technique is ideal for dense vegetables like tomatoes and peppers, enhancing their taste while preserving texture. On the other hand, hot smoking cooks the vegetables at higher temperatures, around 200 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius, resulting in thoroughly cooked, tender products packed with smoky flavor. Whichever method you choose is crucial to monitor the temperature and smoking time to achieve the desired taste and texture. To truly elevate the flavor of your smoked vegetables, consider experimenting with creative combinations of herbs, spices, and marinades. Fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and basil add an aromatic touch that complements the smokiness. Spices such as paprika, cumin, or chili powder can introduce a delightful kick. Marinades made from oil, vinegar, and citrus not only enhance the taste, but also help to tenderize the vegetables. By blending these flavors, you can craft unique profiles that transform ordinary vegetables into unforgettable dishes. Don't be afraid to get adventurous and tailor your combinations to suit your palate. Smoked vegetables offer a versatile addition to your meals, transforming simple dishes into gourmet experiences. They can be served as appetizers, tossed into salads, or used as a vibrant side dish. For a starter, try creating a charcuterie board featuring a variety of smoked veggies alongside cheeses and dips. Incorporating them into grain bowls or pasta dishes adds depth and complexity. Additionally, you can blend smoked vegetables into salsas or sauces for an unexpected twist. The smoky flavor can enhance many recipes, allowing you to showcase your culinary creativity and delight your guests with unique flavor profiles.